Do you want to know how you can restrain the voice match model in Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can restrain the voice match model in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Google Gemini and then tap on your profile, which is on the top right hand corner. Then go to Settings and tap on Google Assistant features on Gemini. Then what you need to do is tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. In a while you can see that this page loads up and you can see there is an option of retrain voice match model. So you can see that using this you can train the assistant to recognize your voice again. Tap on it. Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? So you can see that. Now say okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And there you go, you have just retrained the voice match model in Google Gemini. It will now recognize your voice and then it will be caution of you speaking and then it will respond to you quite easily. This was a video on how you can retrain voice match model on Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.